Some damage looks small until the right evidence turns it into a lesson no one forgets. Have you ever seen someone as kid wreck your property and the parents swear it as not a big deal? And if so, comment below. I live in a quiet, planned neighborhood where the HOA president thinks rules apply only to other people. My home sits on a corner lot with a clearly surveyed lawn and marked boundaries. This happened in a suburban area outside Raleigh, North Carolina, where HOAs love control more than fairness. I had just finished redoing my front lawn with new sod, irrigation lines, and soil grading. Everything was permitted, documented, and expensive. The HOA president's teenage son had a new off-road dirt bike. He liked showing off. One afternoon, I heard engines tearing through grass. I walked outside and saw him ripping donuts across my lawn. Fresh sod flew everywhere. Sprinkler heads snapped. When I shouted for him to stop, he laughed and sped off. I felt angry for a moment, then calm, because I knew exactly how this would end. I checked my security cameras and saved the footage immediately. The video clearly showed his face, the bike, and the damage. I also pulled drone footage I routinely use to document my property. It showed the tire tracks crossing my boundary line perfectly. I filed a police report for vandalism and property damage. The HOA president showed up furious before the officer even left. She claimed kids will be kids and said I was overreacting. I didn't argue. I told her the report was already filed. That night, I contacted my lawyer. We reviewed the footage, repair estimates, and HOA bylaws. That's when we set the trap, completely legal and by the book. We sent a formal repair demand letter with invoices attached. We also requested the HOA insurance information under the bylaws. The president responded in writing, denying responsibility and insulting me. That email mattered more than she knew. When the deadline passed, my lawyer filed a small civil claim. We attached the video, drone images, police report, repair quotes, and her written denial. She tried to claim HOA immunity. The judge shut that down instantly. The son admitted under questioning that he rode on my lawn. The court ruled it was intentional damage. The HOA insurance refused coverage because it was not an HOA activity. The president had to pay personally for full repairs, court costs, and legal fees. But that wasn't the real consequence. The HOA bylaws required disclosure of legal judgments involving board members. At the next meeting, the ruling was read into the record. She lost her position by vote that same night. My lawn was repaired professionally and looks better than before. The kid no longer rides anywhere near my property. And the neighborhood learned something important. Authority doesn't protect bad behavior. Paperwork does. If you love HOA justice stories, like the video and subscribe.